is the hub, this is the breeding ground, this is the home to the most number of marine species of the whole world.
Correct.
Ang dagat po ng Tingloy at ang dagat ng Mabini are both parts of the Verde Island Passage. Well, I cannot comment anything about Mabini because my husband has completed all the infra program dito. Nakita nyo naman, ang gaganda ng kalye dito, di ba? It was during his time. Pero with Tingloy, the reason why I am fulfilled as a congresswoman kasi nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon na tulungan ang Islang Bayan. And I'm very positive. The moment the Tingloy circumferential road is substantially completed, dadagsa ang maraming resort, dadami ang trabaho, lalaki ang kita ng mga tao, at wala ng taga-Tingloy na aalis mo sa isla. Ang vision ko po, this is a reality, ha? Listen, ang panahon ko, lilipas. Ang panahon ng presidente, lilipas. Ang panahon ng mga mayors, lilipas. Ang panahon nating lahat ay lilipas. But I want to be remembered na sa panahon ni Beatrix, umunlad at nakilala ang Islang Bayan ng Tingloy.
Next.
Good morning po. Ang tanong ko po, napapansin po kasi namin na lagi kayo may mga kasamang teachers.
Yeah.
Sa
You mean the congressional visit?
Yes.
Not only teachers. For Peace, PNS, BHW, minsan nga Kamarites. Bakit? Ha? Bakit? This is my concept of the House of Representatives. Kami mga congressmen, we are there because of these people. Diba? We are the voice, we are the representatives. In other words, kung wala ang mga taong ito, whom we represent, wala kaming congressmen. Wala kaming congresswomen. So my real appreciation about the House of Representatives, it is not the House of Representatives. Indeed, it is the House of the people. And because of that appreciation, I started this congressional visit. Because that is my avenue of sharing to the people of Batangas 2nd District everything that we have in Congress. Because in my heart, everything that we have there, they rightfully belong to the people. No? The purpose of my congressional visit is to give an experience to my kababayan for one day in their life. Naranasan nila ako to become a congressman. No? Nagkakaroon kami doon ng parang committee hearing. I make them stay in the committee room. I serve them with meal catered by the official caterers of the Congress. Pinaupo ko sila doon sa upuan ng congressman. I allowed them to use the same microphone we use for committee hearing. And during the committee hearings, I address them as honorable congressmen and congresswomen. No? Kasi my objective for the congressional visit, maranasan ng aking mga kababayan dito sa Batangas